Today I'm going to create drop-down menu, or you can say drop-down options. So I will take text, give it auto layout, and now add component, add variables, give all a name. This one is hover and next one is active. Give it a fill color. Yes, this is fine. I will make this little different. Add a left stroke only. I'm going to add one more variable when tab is active and we hover, so it should look different. Active hover. Now add prototyping. Select while hovering. Smart animate 100 millisecond. This will be on click, on hover. Now again on click. Select a frame. Drag the component. I will change the background color so that it will look separate. Copy the options. Now you can see this is looking different when I hover and I have selected this. Yes, it is visible. Okay, move the frame from here. Drag the option. I will detach instance. Resize it. I will make it fill container. Duplicate it 5 to 6 times. I will give a name to all options. I'm going to create 6 options to test. Create component. This will be list of options. I will make a little changes in this. It will be left side. Reduce the size. Okay. Now it is fine. Drag the component again. Now I'm going to detach again. Select an option. I'm going to create icon chevron down with the pen tool. Yes. Add a stroke and round the corner. Create component. Add a variable. I will resize the frame. Now I have to give it a name so that I can differentiate both of these. So it will be list of option and value will be one will be yes and one will be no, because there will be list of option with only one. Yes, now I will copy list of option or drag it from the assets. I will command X. Now command B. Resize it again and select second one. Command B. Move it little down with down arrow key. Don't drag it, otherwise it will missed. I will change the stroke color a little bit and change the direction of the icon. Now I'm going to create five more options like select an option 1, give it a name to each one. Option 4 and option 5. There will be one more, option 6. Now this is time to add a prototyping. This will be on click. Again add connection to this. Now each option will be connected with the same option. Like I'm doing. Yes, all done. Now I'm going to duplicate the options. Yes, and these all will be yes. Change the icon direction. I'm going to add list of options to each. I have copied and pasted it here. Yes, it is done. Now this is time to add interaction again with options. Do this very carefully. Now I'm going to take a frame and remove this. Select an option. You can see I can change the options here. Perfect. Now this requires little bit change so that it will look good.